back to another video. Oh, do you know, every time I decide to record, my partner seems to slip out the back door. I'm sure he's got another woman, and he thinks once I'm concentrating and I press that record button, I ain't stopping for shit. So he's sneaking out the back. I bet it's her next door. Anyway, the dog cries when he's out. One of them does anyway. Right, let's get on with it. Welcome back to another video. So, I've got another set of Umikk gel polishes, but this is a little cheeky one. A little 6-pack one. These are not in the white bottles. They are in the black bottles. But they're a different shape. So, let me just have a little show you. Little show and tell. So, we've got the black bottles. We've got the white bottles. And now we've got these ones. They're a different shape, look. Getting quite confusing now, isn't it? But I don't care what the bottles look like, what shape they are, as long as they're beautiful inside. Right, so these are like pastels. Doesn't come with a top or a base or anything. This is just a 6-piece set. And they look rather tasty. So what we got, so it starts with 1, 2, 4... and goes up to 1, 2, 9. So, shall we get them swatched? Yes, we shall. So, I've got my swatcheroonie sticks ready. Right, so these are 7.5ml, so they're good size. They're glass bottles. All the ingredients on the back, I like that. It's inedible. I didn't know that. I'm glad that's on there, because I might have had a little lick if I didn't see that. Right, so let's have a look. So this one looks like a peachy, orangey. I'm a bit off to the left today. Bring you down a bit. Right, let's have a look at this. I'm in love with these gel polishes. I wonder if they're all the same formula. I would imagine they are. You know, the white bottles, the black bottles, the round black bottles, and these. I'll have to ask them, but I would assume they're all the same formula. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, that's like a nice pastel-y peach kind of colour, isn't it? Gorgeous. I like that. Right, move that box out the way of my lamp. Right, let's do this next one. Number 125. Let me give these a bit of a shake. Shake. Shake it off. Shake it off. This looks like a pastel green. Or a corky green. Call it what you like. I'm going to call it a corky pastel green. It's a corky pastel. But it's beautiful. So sorry. Ugh. Sorry guys. Motorbike season. Why is my camera being funny today? It's all going wrong today. My lighting's not right or anything, is it? What's going on today? Oh gosh, no. Is that better? Yeah, that's more of a true colour. Right, let's get that in the lamp. This is what I love about all these polishes as well. You always get the numbers and the colours. Oh, this is a pretty pink. It's a very pretty pink. These swatch sticks are a bit dusty. I pulled these out a couple of days ago to do and got distracted, so they've been led on my desk for 2 days. Gathering dust. That's a pretty colour. Like a baby pink. I like it. So this is a yellow. What kind of... Oh! This is a pale yellow. This is a nice yellow. Really pale yellow. Oh, that's a cute yellow. It's like, oh, what's that thing? What's that thing? It's a little bit sheer actually, this, for these polishes. A little bit sheer. I'm not faffing, it's just got a bit of dust, I promise. Yeah, it's a pastel yellow, very, very pale yellow. I like it. It's a little bit sheer, that. Just a little bit. Right. Purple. This is going to be pretty. I know it is. I know it. Oh, it is pretty. Oh, that's a beautiful colour purple. Beautiful colour purple. Yeah, it's like a perfect lavender colour, isn't it? Perfect lavender colour. That's pretty. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Right, let's get this last one done. Last one looks like a blue. Oh, this looks like a purpley kind of blue. Oh, this is an unusual blue. Oh, that's a gorgeous colour. That's a beautiful colour blue. It's got a slight purple undertone, like... Oh, I can't describe these. It's very, very pretty. Very pretty blue, that, isn't it? I like it. Right, I'm going to get all these top coated. I'll do them half and half. Half glossy, half matte. And then we'll see what they look like. Right, guys, that's them all done. I've used the Umikk No Wipe Top Gel and Matte Top Gel. So they've all had a glossy, half matte. Aren't they pretty, really nice, pretty pastel set? I love this purple and blue. That blue is gorgeous. I've got my swatch sticks the wrong way. I don't like them that way. Look at that matte. Every time. And look at the glossy as well. They're so nice. I can't get enough of these gel polishes at the minute. And the matte, it's just as smooth as the glossy. It hasn't got that rubbery feel. It's beautiful. I'm in love with these gel polishes. I really am. But that's a really pretty set. A really pretty set of 6 it is. I like it. I like it a lot. But anyway, guys, that's it for today. Just a quick one. A cheeky little 6-pack. Different bottles again. But yeah, I'm very happy with them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, as always, I'll leave the link below. They're not available on US Amazon, are they? They keep giving me links to this different brand on the US Amazon. And they say it's the same formula and same colours. So I'll ask them again if they've got this version as well. And if they have, I'll leave that link. But it is available on UK Amazon. I know that for sure. I'll leave the links below. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.